Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting tutorial where I'll show you how to use Google Colab's new AI feature to perform advanced data analysis without writing a single line of code. Before we dive in, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more AI powered tutorials. This video is for everyone, whether you're a coder, a data analyst, or someone with zero coding experience. Google Colab's AI can now generate insights, create visualizations, and even build machine learning models with just a few prompts. Today, we'll be analyzing the global energy consumption dataset to uncover trends in energy usage over the past 2 decades. We'll identify high consumption regions, explore the impact of renewable energy, correlate energy usage with economic growth, and even forecast future consumption patterns. Plus, we'll see how AI can help us build models for energy price prediction and efficiency analysis. So, whether you're a beginner or an expert, stick around. This tutorial is packed with insights. Let's jump right in.
By Google Colab, you need to simply log in with your Gmail account, and then you easily land on this Google Colab URL, and it's totally free, so you don't need to give any money and all. So what I will give the link if you are unable to find, link. Sometimes people are not able to find. So I'll give this link in description. You can go in description and then you can see this. So let's start what I'm going to do. First, I've already opened my file, and here is coming, analyze file with Gemini. So what I will do, I'll click on that. Okay. And I've already downloaded this folder from the Kaggle. I'll tell you what is Kaggle. See here, in a Kaggle, one competition is going on, that is global energy consumption 2002 to 2024 data is there. That data I have already downloaded from the, if you click this download button, it will download in, zip folder, and then you can convert that zip in your local PC. Okay. So once you convert that zip in, in the normal format, then what you do, you need to upload that, file in here, because that is your data set file. So what I will do, I'll click here, I will go archive, and then I will select the global energy consumption .csv file. Okay, I have already selected. Then here I will come, and here what is description they have given. The global energy consumption data provide comprehensive insight into energy usage across the different country and sector over the past 2 decades. Okay, this one I will take. Okay, and then what I will open? I will open the chat GPT. Okay. And now I will ask ChatGPT, can you create prompt for data analysis based on given topics, based on this topic, this content or topic, whatever you need to be, you can give. So now that now ChatGPT will give you well structured prompt. Okay. So I've already got. Okay. What I'll do, I will copy. Then I will go to the my data.py file. Here, this Google Colab is asking me enter a prompt here. So what I'll do, I will enter my prompt, summarize. Here say summarize, the spelling is wrong. Okay, now I've corrected it. Okay. Now it's everything is done. Then I will hit this submit button. Then my Google Colab is already started thinking, because this is new feature in Google Colab. Gemini is giving, you can generate all the data analysis. If you don't know coding also, you can, if you know only prompting, you can give your prompt and data, and then easily you can create a any data analysis project. And you can analyze any whatever data you have, that to data analyze based on your data structure. But you need to think what data structure you have. So that also requires some basics knowledge of data structure, what kind of data you are using, and why you are using that data. So I am using the global energy consumption data, that is totally 2002 to till last year, means it's there. Okay. So let's wait, because it will take some time. Yeah, here one button is called execute plan. I'm going to click on that execute plan. Then I'm going to click on continue. Now the Gemini is started preparing to execute all the plan, means it's also connected to the Python 3 in backend, because it will generate by entire code by Google Colab. I'm not going to do anything. See here, the all the task description is coming. Then they are loading the all the codes. This code already run. Okay. See here, if you see video, so please don't skip this video, because if you skip, you will not able to understand what I'm doing. So because I am not going to skip anything, whatever I'm doing, same process I'm going to explain you. Let's see. Now examine the data shape and info. All the what we are doing through the manually, it's all done by the AI. See here, all the chart is also showing, because I have mentioned in my prompt I need chart also. So see here, all the chart is coming: total energy, per capita, renewable energy share, carbon emission, energy price index. See here, which is better than everything I'm getting. Okay, percentage and all. Now data cleaning part is happening, where we are cleaning all the data by handling the outlier and ensuring the data consistency. So if you are a data analysis engineer, yeah, data analyst, then you need that what is the outlier and how does data consistency we measuring. But if you are not coming from this background, you are a beginner, yeah, you are a learner, so you need to understand what is the outlier, because see sometimes AI also give wrong result, because that is built by the human. So definitely some error is there. So you need to cross check whatever you are developing. Okay. So if you don't know these things, you can't do it, that cross checking. Okay. So let's wait. Yeah. Now my data wrangling part is also done, where wrangle the data and create new feature and aggregate data by region and sector. Okay. Because I have mentioned this region and sector in my prompt also. Yeah, I need based on that data also. So that is this AI have done very good, I think, job. And also giving the regioning means what they have created new feature, aggregate data by region and sector, and format data for time series analysis. Okay, that is good. Now data analysis part also is done. Yeah, okay. See here, correlation between consumption and the renewable energy share. Okay. So there are three things they have took: North, others, and Western Europe. So based on that, this correlation is this data correlation is happen. Okay, based on the location. Okay, why this error is coming? Cannot subset with couple with more than one element. Okay, okay, that because of that this error is coming. But okay, no problem, we can ignore this error. Okay, let's see, we can go with other part. That is not the issue for our project. Okay, see here another consumption trend this tool is giving. Okay, now visualization is started. For that, this AI tool know that how you can, which visualization tool required for this data. So they are using the matplotlib dot pyplot, because mostly we use matplotlib. There are a lot of other library also there, but for this tutorial we are using matplotlib. If I mention I don't need matplotlib, you can use another library in prompt. So this AI will change that based on that. Okay. So yeah, data splitting also is completed. Split aggregate data into training, validation, and testing set for the time series or carting. Same thing we are doing it. If I am doing same thing in manually also, same process I will also follow. So till here my code and everything is corrected, because I am also cross checking, because my job is there. While if you are a data analysis engineer, yeah, any data engineer, if you know that this thing, so you need to check 2-3 times, because AI also built by the human. So sometimes AI also do mistakes, because whatever data they have given based on that, maybe in future this will solve. They means AI will not do mistake. But right now, I have observed a lot of AI also doing mistake while writing the code and all. So we need to think, we need to cross check our code also. Okay. And I will tell you one thing also, don't regret with your means you are not a coder, so you will not able to do and all, because it's a tough for you. That is not a problem. Okay. You will start doing like that, and then you will start learning how this code is happening. All the deep dive into the structure, basic things, and then same thing you can build yourself also. That is also good thing for learning any technology. That is called reverse engineering. So yeah, this is done. This is also the see your feature engineering also completed. Okay. Now I am seeing feature engineering model training is also done. profit. Okay, good. Okay, model training, all the chart also showing based on that, whatever model we have predicted. Okay, distribution and all. Now I am checking model optimization. This level of my, I have built the things. Model optimization, model evolution also I have done. Lot of, if you see video, they are not doing this much of things. Model evolution, model optimization. What is model optimization? I will tell you. Model optimization, that will optimize your hyperparameter based on the whatever model you are using. So I am using profit model to improve the forecasting accuracy. So because of that, I have done the model optimization. Okay. And model evolution, why we are doing that? Evaluate the performance of optimize profit and whatever model of this data is there. So that will be done by the model evolution. Okay. I will upload this in on GitHub account, and you can go, and if you want this code, I will mention in my description. In here you can go and check and let me know in comment what you like most.